Hi guys, in this video I want to show how you can adjust all the steering backlash of the steering rack on Mercedes w210. When we go buy a car, for example, if you hear knocking on the steering rack, first of all you need check all this bearing ball, their bushes, and another side there bearing ball in there and there. In our case all things fine. You just need to pull this nut. This nut which we need to tighten, but not so much. Just need to feel the disappearance of the backlash, and at the same time free movement of the steering wheel. Now you need to drive around and make sure that everything in order. The steering wheels turns without problem, but I need to weaken a little bit the nut on the steering rack. That's all to work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and bud like.